Hi everybody, Emily here with MarineMax Nisswa. Today we have the 2025 MasterCraft XT22. Very pretty exterior here. It's the Caribbean Flake with white and a flint gray hull. This boat is powered by a Ilmor 5.3 liter GDI high output motor, 380 horsepower. This boat has plenty of force to move whatever water sport you want to do. It's equipped with Surfstar, making your wave adjustability very easy. Coming to the transom of the boat, we have our very nice swim step. This is a great upgrade to have on your boat for getting in and out of the water. And this year we're keeping emissions low, so the standard surf pipe exhaust is now standard. Walking into the cockpit of this boat, we have a really nice gray sea deck walkthrough and onto this decadence. Look at this interior, very crisp, very clean. It's an alpine white with flint gray cool feel. We've upgraded this boat with a convertible rear seat here so you can watch all the water sports behind. We also have a flip-up option here so everyone can be watching. Built-in cooler and hinge seats is a game changer for MasterCraft. It makes it very easy to grab whatever you want out of here. And the storage in here, they make a very nice touch with even this mesh storage right here. The storage also goes up passenger seat all the way to the bow. This boat is also upgraded with the premium audio, so lots of speakers in here built into the dash. New for the helm this year in MasterCraft is this very nice 12-inch touchscreen and the MasterCraft MyDrive rotary. So you can be switching everything on the fly with these 5 keys and going through your surf systems here, making it a steep or mellow wave for whichever rider's behind your boat. We equipped this boat with a V8 tower. We have 2 surf hooks on the side for easy use to get your rider up. Standard clamping board racks. You can fit 2 boards in each side, and you can also fit 4 up top on the bimini. Coming to the bow, we have a really nice walkway. Pick your friend, pick your drinks, bring your phone charger, come get some peace and quiet, plenty of room. It's a very big pickle fork bow. You're gonna wanna come see this boat at MarineMax Nisswa.